Very good. Okay, first, can you read this word?
It is sunny.
It is sunny. Very good. 2 boxes for Afeefa. Next, can Afeefa read this one?
Jean and Harry are at the beach with mommy and daddy.
Very good. Jean and Harry are at the beach with mommy and daddy. 2 boxes for Afeefa. 1, 2. Next, read this one, Afeefa.
Jean and the cool sea breeze.
Okay, again. Can you read again?
Jean likes the cool sea breeze.
Very good. Jean likes the cool sea breeze. 2 boxes for Afeefa. 1, 2. Next, can you read this one, Afeefa?
Harry likes the deep green sea.
Harry likes the deep green sea. Another 2 boxes for Afeefa. 1, 2. Next, can Afeefa read this one?
Mommy likes the shady fair trees and daddy likes to see girls scream for fish.
Okay, again, can you read this one again? How do we read this one?
Girls.
Are you sure, girls? Girls.
Girls.
Girls. How do we read that?
Us.
Ni? What sound is this?
O.
It's R. Okay.
That's why I said looks like O.
Okay, it's English. It's not Malay. English one. The sound is how do we read this one? This word again?
I don't really know how to speak.
Okay, let me spell it out for you. G-A-L-S. How do we read that?
Girls.
Gulls.
Girls.
Okay. Okay, mommy likes the shady fir trees and daddy likes to see gulls scream for fish. Okay, for this one, we go 1 box. Okay, next, can you read this one?
Come on, Jane.
Come on, Jean. Very good. Another 1 box for you. Okay, good. You've crossed the finish